Okay, sir, a very good evening. These are my group members, and today we're going to present about Halal Warehouse.
So, hi sir, my name is Raj. So, my part is introduction of Halal Warehouse in Malaysia. So, customarily planned operation has begun from the word actual conveyance. The target of planned operation, the executive, is to keep up with buyers' faithfulness while granting that labor and products are made available at the right cost, in the right amounts, with the right condition, and the right quality. In Malaysia, Muslim clients search for halal market in regard of products supported by a strict expert in Malaysia previously buying stock. Malaysia is a country with a predominantly Islamic population, and as such, the demand for products and services that comply with halal standards is high. A halal warehouse is a facility that designed to store and distribute good halal certificate products. This is type of warehouse ensures that all products are handled in the according with Islamic law and regulations. It is a innovation solution that address the need of halal products across different industries, including food, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and personal care. Halal warehouse in Malaysia is a sensitive development that will gather to the needs of the Muslim community and wider halal market. So I'll move to the next presenter.
Okay, hi sir, I'm Navisha. I'll be talking about the requirements to set up halal warehouse in Malaysia. The first one will be business registration. Business registration entails registering your company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, which is SSM. The second one will be halal certification. Get halal certification from the Malaysian Department of Islamic Development, which is JAKIM, and the warehouse must be located in an area that is easily accessible and not near any non-halal premises or activities. Then the next one will be choose an appropriate site for your halal warehouse. Ensure that it is located in a halal compliant environment away from non-halal or forbidden things such as pork, alcohol, and filthy components. The fourth one will be infrastructure. Construct or lease a halal compliant warehouse faculty. The fifth one will be storage and handling. Implement separate storage spaces for halal and non-halal items to minimize cross-contamination. The next one will be staff training. Educate your warehouse personnel on halal principles, cleanliness practices, and handling protocols. Seventh one will be SOPs, standard operating procedures. Create detailed SOPs for all phases of warehouse operations, such as receiving, storage, picking, packing, and shipping. Then continue to traceability and documentation. Use sophisticated inventory management system to reliably track and trace halal items. The next one will be audit and inspection. Plan for periodic audit and inspection by JAKIM or other relevant agency to guarantee continued halal compliance. And the last one will be marketing and promotion. Once your halal warehouse is up and running, promote your halal certification and adherence to halal standards to attract consumers and establish market confidence. Thank you.
Move in your mic.
Hi, my name is Movin then. So I'm talking about the halal warehouse. So halal warehouse, which is the warehouse to be halal certified, shall store only halal products and goods. So operates halal documentation system, which is continuously updated. Halal good or product shall be segregated according to appropriate categories, such as dry product shall be segregated according to the appropriate categories, such as dry product shall be separated from the wet product. Have a well-regulated storage temperature suitable for storing the halal goods or products. Applicant shall ensure the pest control is conducted systematically systematically, and the warehouse compound shall have a control mechanism, and halal detection system shall function effectively, ensure raw materials ingredient sources are halal and safe. That's all from me.
So, okay, so my name is Evin Raj, and I'll be explaining about the 10 literature and their variables. Okay, the first topic is halal food supply knowledge and their perceived attention. Okay, for their variables, the study of direct relationship between consumer purchase intention and knowledge of halal animal feed, halal slaughter and proper segregation, because it focuses on marketing aspect. For the second topic is factors influencing readiness towards halal logistic among food-based logistic players in Malaysia. Okay, for that is the extract statement were categorized into 5 major factors: environment, employee, acceptance, the halal insurance system, vision for change, and management support were identified the 5 factors that influence readiness for halal logistic. And for the third topic is the development of logistic warehouse, a study at Mas Cargo Sendirian Berhad, okay, which is the variable is to order to emphasize the use of halal in the logistics sector, where there are 3 main categories, which are storage and transportation, halal facilities segregation, and halal certification and labeling process. Okay, for the other one is implementing air cargo halal warehouse inside of Malaysia. Okay, for this topic variable is the variables are due to possibilities of crossing contamination when a halal product comes into physical contact, which is halal making the product non-halal. Moreover, personnel who handle this type of cargo, the tools used must be considered, which are which is dedicated to the rack for storage and can also contribute a possibility if contaminating the warehouse. For the next topic is issue in Halal Tobian warehouse implementation. Okay, for this topic, the variables there are 3 qualities of halal inventory network, which are accompanying to bring in robust halal supply chain are essential for mitigating the effect of contamination. Second is integrating for each link in halal supply chain must be effectively ensured. Thirdly, for halal food products, not cost more, efficient chain are necessary. Okay, for the other topic, contributing factors of halal warehouse adoption. For this topic, the variable is halal service provider are not involved in their supply chain, especially in warehouse activities. Halal products can be verified, cannot be verified at this point of consumption. Okay, for the other topic is barrier and enablers in adopting halal transportation service, a study of Malaysian halal manufacturer. Okay, for this variable is it should be taken care of by the ideal individual utilizing the right cycle, which is every one of this item just can be assembled a similar vehicle to be moved to the right object. Disagree the halal status of the item which they which they combine from the non-halal goods to halal goods, they combine together and send to the stuff. That is the wrongdoing example. Okay. For the other topic is halal food warehouse challenges and solution. The variables are separated to non-halal products, handling equipment from halal products, handling equipment such as forklift, pallets, loading bays, transportation, racks, and trolley. Aside from that, halal certification also plays a very big crucial role, and product hygiene and safety. Okay, for the next topic is halal logistic and opportunities and challenge. Okay, for this, the outcome is that Malaysia saw the significance of laying out the halal norm for the non-Muslims to follow, to all the more likely guarantee food creation to the nation is halal. Okay. The last one is exploration of risk with halal logistic, a case of emerging a company. For this, internal and external factors are required in order to maintain halal logistic. There are few hotspots for break of halal uprights, including training with the non-halal item during coordinating operation exercise, bundling with the non-halal item, counterfeit logos on building the improper segregation. That's it from me.
So I'll be doing my summaries. I'm Pugalinti Manimaran. So halal warehouse means a storage facility comprising a warehouse which has been inspected and rated by DMCC trade flow as suitable for an Islamic transaction by virtue of its procedures, practices and standards being in accordance with the principle of Sharia as set out under Schedule 8 hereof. That's one from me, sir.
So, okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sure, sir.